So I get asked this question a lot in my skin cancer clinics. Why do my moles look so different compared to other people's? Well, here's a fun fact about moles which you might not know. The type of mole we have is dependent on several factors. And in this short video, I'm going to explain how our age influences the moles we have. So in dermatology, we have this magnifying light called a dermatoscope, which helps us to appreciate the pigment network of the moles. Children tend to have this type of mole, which is made up of these small brown blobs, also known as globules. So as the mole starts to evolve and grow as you get older, the pigment network starts to change as well. And the mole becomes something like this, where you get globules in the periphery and this flat network pattern in the middle. The fact that you have these globules means that the mole is still growing and evolving. And so in older adults, when the mole stops growing, it no longer has this globular pattern. Instead, it has this network pattern, also known as a reticular pattern. And this tends to make the mole quite flat rather than raised. So if we see an older patient in clinic with this type of mole with globules, we tend to get a little bit more concerned, and we might opt for removing the mole just because we won't be expecting it to grow at this age. Hope you find this interesting as much as I do, and stay tuned to more mole facts.